first floor.
Think like that.
Hey man, let me get a roll of turkey cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, and mayonnaise. Thanks.
Doing thing. You know? Repeat it.
Okay.
Este, pues fue cuatro. La mía fue. Esto.
¿Cuánto es?
Ok, solo eso.
Esto y esto.
8.
Vale. Gracias. Alright, this is right here. New York style sandwich. Nice turkey. Look at that. Well, never changes. This used to be like $2.50 when I was younger. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.